Historic versus historical. Since the usage of these two words is often unclear, we decided to take a closer look. The word historic refers to something or someone famous or important in history. For example, when we were in Paris, we explored many historic sites and attractions. Historical, on the other hand, describes history itself or historical events, as in historical evidence. An example sentence would be, the actors were all dressed up in historical clothing from the 1800s. Therefore, a historic event is one that was very important, but a historical event is simply something that happened in the past. That's it for today. See you next time.